guys, this is Jasmine. Do you still remember the SE75U excavator? Today we are at another shipping port now. So what kind of construction machinery I will introduce? Just follow me to learn more about our today's main character. Let's go! As you can see, this is a 25-ton trunk crane, XCMG QY25K5C. Its total weight in travel is 32.5 tons, while its max rated lifting capacity is 25 tons. Next, let me show you more details. Look, here is the engine, and the crane is equipped with SHANGCHAI engine. That means the stage 5 emission regulations. Its rated power is 235 kilowatts. Let's go to the last part. It's a 5-station U-shaped boom. The full extended boom can reach 41 meters, and with its jib-boom, it can reach 49.3 meters. Actually, XCMG is a top brand of construction machinery in China with the most complete product varieties and series. If you are also interested in the machine or any other products of the brand, you could just contact me. Well, again, this is Jasmine from Evangel. Welcome to any inquiries from you, and see you.